Okay, it is raining really bad. We've had tornado warnings, and now I am in a parking lot at the park with my dogs, Daisy and Scruffy. He keeps getting in the floor. And it's hailing and the sun's shining, and it's pouring down rain. I don't know if you can hear the hail. It's pretty good size hail. Probably about a quarter size, I guess. But it's melting quick because of the rain. So, just wanted to film a little bit of this. Hopefully it'll clear up soon. I don't know. Scruffy. Scruffy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Daisy. What's the matter, girl? Alright. Anyway, I'm not going to drive while it's hailing, so... thanks for watching. Bye.